people here really cares about their island, and everybody that I saw was very respectful with the environment. So that's why we can see so much life. It's amazing. Japan has so much to offer about diving, and not so many people knows about it. I have never heard about Ogasawara before, and I am really, really surprised. In Ogasawara, we saw dolphins almost every day. They are in the middle of the ocean, they are free. That's super special. That's something that I know many people dream about. This island is beyond my expectations. Ogasawara really stole my heart.
There are 4 World Natural Heritage Sites in Japan. In these spectacular natural environments, the whole history of our Earth can still be found. Ages have come and gone, yet these irreplaceable natural worlds have been passed unchanged down the generations. And so too the special links between humans and nature.
いろんな偶然の上に成り立った半島での生き物との関係がここにはあるというふうに思います。
自分の足で五感を使って歩いて探し求めて山の神からいただく。
自然の中のから誕生した僕ら人っていうのがどんな感じで生きていけばいいのかなというその立ち位置みたいな知らされるような気がしますよね。
Oh, wow! Woo! Nature is so amazing.
We were born from nature, and we can rediscover our connection with nature. We can join other living things and immerse ourselves in the natural world. We can experience nature with our bodies. Nature is waiting for our return.